It's good to have an apron so that your clothes don't get dirty. And something to cover your hair so that your hair doesn't fall into the food. Remember to always wash your hands so that the germs don't get on your food, or use gloves. Quick tip! We sift the icing sugar to be sure that the dough will be smooth. Quick tip! To spread it easier, we use skewers. And another one. And that was easier to spread. And then we cut it. Quick tip. Before you start with your dessert, put the milk about 1 hour in the freezer. This will help the dessert to set and be ready faster when done. Quick tip. Hello, my lovely kiddos. You must fry the pancakes until you see bubbles form like this. Then it's time to flip them. Darlings, remember to fry both sides until they have a beautiful golden brown color. Only then will they be ready to eat. Mmm. Quick tip. Hey, Tiara, let's shake hands with Mr. Dough. What do you mean, Prince? That means we are going to massage the dough. Ooh, sounds fun. Of course, with clean hands. You can also use gloves. Yeah, let's do it. Our tradition is to eat it from the cup like this. We squeeze the cup a little and eat it like this. Then we turn it upside down and continue eating. But today, I'm gonna give you guys a tip. If you want to eat it without getting frozen fingers. But this never happens to me. Because, you know, the cold never bothered me anyway. But you, my dear kids, you can eat it from a popsicle. First, you fill your cup, then cover it with a piece of foil. But first, let Mommy make a small cut in the middle. Then you cover the cup. And stick the popsicle through the little hole. Whip Oh yeah, quick tip. If you want your peanut butter cookies to be super duper like me, without cracks, use your body. Oh, I mean body temperature, or better, hand temperature. The warmth of your hands will make the dough super duper smooth, without cracks, and super duper awesome like me.
Quick tip. The fastest way to peel a hard-boiled egg is by using an enchanted stick like this one. Oh, but if you don't have one, or don't have a brother or a sister to break it on their forehead, don't panic. You can do this. Hit and roll. See, the shell will come off like magic. Alright, I have to go to a ball. Where's my glass shoe? Oh, there it is! Bye!
Hello, Dr. Holt. How can I help you?
Dr. Hout, you are in quick tip!
Oh yeah, quick tip. Do it again. Quick tip. Tip.
What's wrong, Dr. Hout?
Who are you?
I'm the Rainbow Queen.
You're pretty.
You need a tip, right?
Yeah.
A tip for rainbow fruit kebab. Take a skewer and soak it in water. Now take a marshmallow and insert it. See? No mess. Now take the rest of the fruits. Voila! Rainbow fruit kebab. This one is for you.
Donkey.
You're welcome. Bye-bye!
Your earrings look ugly.
Oh yeah? Well, your hat looks ugly. Where did you get that? Arr! Oh, pirates, you are in quick tip. Oh, quick tip. Do it again. Quick tip. Quick tip. A tip.
I got one. A tip to open a pistachio shell. Take one piece of a shell, insert and twist. See? Easy peasy.
Ooh, good.
Now, what's your tip, pirate?
Oh, Grandma Pirate told me if you want to take the skin off of pistachio, I have a trick for you. Put the pistachios in boiling water. Take it off the stove and leave it there for about 2 minutes. Then drain them and rinse them with cold water. After that, put them in a clean kitchen towel and wrap them together. And the skins will come off like magic. See beautiful green pistachios.
They're mine.
Well, they're mine.
They are mine.
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 Yeah.